Friends, skills matter, hard work matters, but smart English decides your salary conversation. Today's 5 idioms can upgrade your career. Hello everyone, this is Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. આજે આપણે શીખીશું સેલરી, પ્રમોશન એન્ડ સક્સેસ ઇડિયમ્સ જે તમારી પ્રોફેશનલ લાઈફમાં રિયલ ઇમ્પેક્ટ ક્રિએટ કરશે. લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ. ઇડિયમ નંબર 1, વર્થ એવરી પેની. ડિઝર્વિંગ સેલરી ઓર કોસ્ટ. સેલરીને ડિઝર્વ કરવું, સેલરીને લાયક હોવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ, સી ઇઝ વર્થ એવરી પેની, ધ કંપનીઝ પે હર. વેલ્યુ ક્રિએટ કરો, સેલરી આપમેળે ફોલો કરશે. Use this idiom indirectly while discussing performance. Idiom number 2, climb the ladder. Grow step by step in your career. કારકિર્દીમાં ધીમે ધીમે આગળ વધવું. Let's see an example. He is working hard to climb the corporate ladder. Growth overnight નથી આવતો, કન્સિસ્ટન્સીથી આવે છે. Use this idiom while talking about long-term goals. Idiom number 3, made your mark. Becoming noticeable through your work. પોતાની છાપ છોડી જવી. Example, he made his mark within 1 year. Silent work and strong result. That means recognition. This is great for self-introduction. Idiom number 4, move up the ranks. Get promoted. Promotion મેળવવું. Example, she moved up the ranks quickly. Skill and attitude. That means fast growth. Use this idiom during promotion discussion. Now last and my favorite, pay off. Hard work gives good results. મહેનતનું પરિણામ મેળવવું. એક્ઝામ્પલ, all his effort finally paid off. સક્સેસ સ્લો આવે બટ શ્યોર આવે. This is perfect for motivation and confidence. Guys, remember, your salary doesn't increase because you work more. It increases when your value becomes visible. Don't beg your promotion. Build skills, speak smart, and let your English show your confidence. Success will follow you. Write in comment which idiom fits your career goal. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.